Dear students, today we are discussing question 8 of exercise 1.2. Verify 1. 3 upon 4 plus minus 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 8 equals to 3 upon 4 plus minus 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 8. It means we are verifying associative law in rational numbers. In the solution, we are solving 3 upon 4 plus minus 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 8 equals to 3 upon 4 plus minus 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 8. In this situation, first we have to solve the brackets. We have to take the LCM of denominators, just like 6 and 8, dividing by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2, 3, 2 and 2, 3, 1, now divided by 3. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Now we have to write 24 at the denominator. The LCM 24 is divided by 6. 6 4 is 24 multiplied by minus 5 minus 20 plus 24 is divided by 8. That means 8 3s are 24 multiplied by 7, 7 3s are 21. Again, the LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Again, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. That means LCM of 4 and 6 we can write 12. 12 is divided by 4 equal to 3. 3 3s are 9 plus minus minus 12 is divided by 6 equal to 2. 2 5s are 10 plus 7 upon 8. Now the solution of given number 21 minus 20 equals to 1 upon 24. 9 minus 10, that means minus 1 upon 12 plus 7 upon 8. Now we should take LCM of 4 and 24 and 12 and 8. In the rough work, the LCM of 4 and 24. 2 2 is 4, 12 2 is 24, 1 6, again 2 3, 1 1, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Now we can write on denominator 24, and we should take the LCM of 12 and 8. 12 is divided by 2 equal to 6, 8 is divided by 2 equal to 4. Similarly 3 2, again 3 1, now 1 1, 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Now we can write 24 at the LCM. 24 is divided by 4 equals to 6. 6 3 is 18 plus 24 is divided by 24 equal to 1 multiplied by 1, that means 1. 24 is divided by 12 equals to 2 multiplied by minus 1 equal to minus 2, plus 24 is divided by 8 8 3s are 24. That means 3 multi 7, 21. Now we can write 18 plus 1, 19 upon 24 equals to 21 minus 2, 19 upon 24. Look at the answer. Left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore, we can say it is verified. The question number second of question 8 you can solve in your homework. Now the solution of question number 9. Find the rational numbers in each pair. There is 2 pairs, and examine if they are equal or not. We need to check the solution of these two terms and it is equal or not. Now we are solving the first term. Minus 4 upon 9 minus 3 upon 4 in bracket minus 2 upon 12. We can solve this rational number. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Minus multi minus plus. That means minus 4 upon 9 minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Now the LCM of 9 and 4, 36 plus 1 upon 6. 36 is divided by 9 equals to 4 multiplied by 4 minus 16. 36 is divided by 4 equal to 9. 9 3s are 27. Now 1 upon 6 plus in denominator 36, in numerator we have to add these two integers because these are same sign. Minus 27 minus 16, 7 plus 6, 13, carry over 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. That means minus 43. Now minus 43 upon 36 plus 1 upon 6. Now the LCM of 36 and 6 is 36. That means in next step we can write 43 minus 43 plus 36 is divided by 6 multiplied by 6. Therefore in the next step minus 43 plus 6, we have opposite sign, then we have to subtract integers. 43 minus 6, we can write minus 37. Now we have to solve other term. Minus 4 upon 9 minus 3 upon 4 minus multi minus plus 2 6 are 12, so 1 upon 6. Minus 4 upon 9 minus in bracket 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 we can find easily. 4 divided by 2, 3, 2, 1 and 3, again 3. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. That means the LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. 12 is divided by 4 equals to 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 12 is divided by 6 equal to 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. Now minus 4 upon 9 minus 9 plus 2, 11 upon 12. Now the LCM of 9 and 12. LCM of 9 and 12. Divided by 2, 9, 6, again 2, 9, 3, again divided by 3, 3, 1, again divided by 3, 1, 1. 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 2s are 36. Now it is 36. 36 is divided by 9 equal to 4. 4 multiply 4 minus 16 minus 36 is divided by 12 is 3. 3 multiplied by 11 equals to 33. Now these have same sign, then we have to add these two integers. 6 and 3 9, 1 and 3 4 minus 49 upon 36, and other term is minus 37 upon 36. These are not equal to each other. Therefore, we can say the given pair of rational number is not equal to each other. You can understand these two questions easily, and the question number 2 of 9 in your homework, and the solution of other questions 10, 11, 12 to 16 will discuss in next videos. Keep watching videos and keep continue your study. Thanks for watching.